Hi everyone. Same? Not quite, but the relationship cannot be denied. This gray-green FXDR could be the ice-cold brother of our ROARRR, which we built last year for the Battle of the Kings. When this hot bullet in orange-black-silver was presented to the public and also went around the world virtually, we had hit kinda nerve. Since then, some similar conversions have rolled off our workshop. This Softail has also benefited from parts from our FXDR Special and a paint job that enhances the sporty attitude of this Softail model. In fact, this model is known to be one of the sporty Harleys, as it is already equipped with such conveniences as the upside-down fork and a double disc brake system with four-piston calipers. Not to forget, because of some aluminum parts, it weighs only about 300 kilos like the other models with the 107R, despite the large 114R engine. Our customer wanted a little bit more, without giving so much money. So we installed our high-performance air filter kit in the torque kit, stage 2, and afterwards we installed the DON performance mapping. Now the response is tighter and the torque increases dynamically. -5% is already there from the beginning, and at 4,500 revolutions per minute you reach 14%. Overtaking from relaxed cruising becomes child's play without having to downshift. Good result for a little money. Like our orange competitor, this green version also got the GP rear fender with underlying lighting units and the seat shell with upholstery and cover from our high-end GP series. At the rear, a shorter shock absorber now does the work in the lowering of the front, and by 50 mm, is done at the fork. In this context we also shortened the side stand to 170 mm and powder-coated it black. With the 260R roller at the rear and the 130 at the front, we went only a little wider than in the original, and so we keep the excellent riding characteristics of this Softail. The slim front fender was made especially for the ROARRR and, like the long front spoiler, went into series production at Thunderbike. Our expert Ingo Cruz from Cayman was again our first choice to do the paint job. It is his color scheme that brings out the sporty line and emphasizes the corners and edges that make this model so special. Thanks for watching.